Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best mouse for claw grip you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. The mouse you choose can make all the difference in the world of productivity and gaming, especially for those who like the claw grip. To maximize performance, a certain set of features and ergonomics are required for this distinctive grip type, which is characterized by an arched hand position and a tight hold on the mouse. Choosing the ideal mouse might be difficult given the wide range of options available. We explore the world of claw grip mice in this video, breaking down their major characteristics, showcasing the leading contenders, and eventually assisting you in making a well-informed choice that will boost your productivity or enable you to play games at a higher level. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 4. Pulsar Gaming Gears X2. A high-performance tool that combines durability and simplicity is the X2 gaming mouse. It is extraordinarily light, weighing only 56 g, making it lighter than an egg. The symmetrical layout promotes ergonomics and comfort for extended use. The Pulsar PAW3395 sensor, which has a maximum DPI of 26,000, a 650 IPS speed, and a 50 G acceleration, is the X2's standout feature. For precise tracking, the mouse also includes motion sync technology. The X2 is also very adjustable. Users can change the DPI, reassign keys, create macros, and set the debounce duration to as little as 0 milliseconds. While the TTC Gold encoder ensures clearly defined scroll wheel steps, the switches used in the mouse, Kale GM 8.0, promise ultra-crisp and durable clicks for up to 80 million pushes. On number 3. Logitech G403 Hero 25K. The Hero 25K sensor is a cutting-edge sensor with 1-to-1 tracking, 400 plus IPS, a sensitivity range of 100 to 25,600 DPI, and zero smoothing, filtering, or acceleration. It is accessible to all players via a free software update from G-Hub. Full spectrum illumination with 16.8 million color possibilities is provided by the LightSync RGB technology, which synchronizes throughout all of the G gear and responds to in-game activities, audio, and screen color. The lightweight 87G mouse is ergonomically contoured with rubber handles for improved control, and a 10G removable weight enables for customized tuning. It is designed for comfort and longevity. 6 programmable buttons can be set up using the G-Hub software to make in-game operations simpler, and on-the-fly DPI shifting allows for quick programming and switching between 5 different sensitivity settings, ranging from 100 to 16,000 DPI. The mouse offers excellent gaming performance and a spring button tensioning for improved response with less force and an 8x faster report rate than normal mice, 1 millisecond. The cable is 6.9 feet long, or 2.1 meters. On number 2. Logitech G Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. With its great tracking, cozy design, and adaptable functionality, the Logitech G Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse continues to dominate the industry. It was released in 2018, however, because to Logitech's Hero 25K sensor, it still competes favorably with more recent models. It is adaptable for both right and left-handed users because to its ambidextrous design and swappable buttons. It has customizable buttons that may be assigned up to 15 distinct functions, soft and crisp clicks, and a long battery life. The G Pro Wireless has a slim design and a sturdy construction, albeit the plastic wire might be a bit of a hassle. Although more aggressive players might prefer lighter options like the Razer Viper V2 Pro, the Logitech G Pro Wireless is a dependable option for gamers seeking flawless tracking and great performance. On number 1. Razer Viper Ultimate Hyperspeed. A premium wireless gaming mouse with outstanding performance without sacrificing style is the Razer Viper Ultimate. It has an ambidextrous design with great ergonomics and a simple button layout, and it costs $149.99 with the wireless charging port or $129.99 without. The mouse is compact, balanced, and has optical switches for long-lasting and accurate clicking. The Viper Ultimate uses Razer's Focus Plus optical sensor, which has a maximum DPI of 20,000 and provides rapid tracking and great precision. Stability and low latency are guaranteed by the 2.4 GHz RF dongle used for its wireless connection. The optional wireless charging port improves the package's convenience and appeal. The Razer Viper Ultimate is a top pick for wireless gaming mice and has won the Editor's Choice Award despite its increased price. Pros of Razer Viper Ultimate: Hyperspeed. Comfortable ambidextrous design. No compromise RF wireless connection. Wireless charging is convenient and looks sharp. Cons of Razer Viper Ultimate: Hyperspeed. A bit expensive for the full package. So guys, this was the video about the best mouse for claw grip. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.